when we first started the company after Bristol University, there was no salary. To go from there to around 3 or 4 years later, being able to help my parents pay off the loans they had on the house, that moment was maybe my biggest achievement. My name is Marc, and I'm an entrepreneur, director, and chief technology officer, specializing in Fintech. Through studying at Bristol Uni, I met the co-founder of my current business, and we've been in business together for 5 years. And it's a very large institution, global, and with several hundred employees. My job is extremely high level. So being one of the founding partners, that means I'm involved in extremely high level decisions. And on my day-to-day, I'm basically legal and technology. So my engineering maths knowledge has merged into being the chief technical officer. Engineering mathematics is one of the only courses, maybe the only course, which has this particular fusion of engineering, modeling, and programming. When it was day 1 through to day 600, let's say, it was all about defining the financial models upon which the company was going to be based. So my co-founder is a financial expert, but he didn't know how to put that down into formulas, and he didn't know how to turn those formulas into code and turn those code into websites. So it was essential for me to bring my knowledge to him. So he was able to say, we need to do these models. This is how we're going to generate loans. This is how we're going to do these payments. This is how we're going to project default and risk. I was able to port that knowledge over to similar programming languages and actually implement the first versions of our websites and of our models. I mean, if I hadn't had that knowledge, and I don't know where else I could have got that knowledge, that wouldn't have been possible. I would have been a co-founder who, couldn't actually bring this key knowledge to the table. So we would have had to hire somebody else. But fortunately, I was able to do that. The version of the course that I took was called something like Engineering Maths, with a year of study in continental Europe, which gave me an opportunity to do 1 year of engineering mathematics in Seville, in Spain. And this changed my life. Without that opportunity, I wouldn't be where I am now. It was essential to my development and an essential part of who I am today. I'm a firm believer in do one thing at a time and give it everything and take it to the end. And then when you're done, perhaps take a step back and decide what you want to do next with your life. So from the very beginning, it was my objective to take on this project, take on this company and take it to the pinnacle. So perhaps take it to IPO. And until that objective is achieved, there is almost no after. I hope to dedicate 8 years plus of my life to this and give it everything until I reach that objective.